In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save or download Instagram photos and videos on your PC using Google Chrome. This process is straightforward and doesn't require any third-party software, just a few clever uses of your browser's built-in tools. So let's get started and make sure you have all the tips and guidance you need. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. It's important to use Chrome for this tutorial, as the developer tools we'll be using are specific to this browser. Now, navigate to Instagram.com and log in to your account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one, as Instagram typically requires you to be logged in to view and download content. Once you're logged in, browse through your feed or search for the specific photo or video post you want to download. When you have the desired post on your screen, take a moment to right-click anywhere on the page. A menu will pop up where you'll select Inspect. This action will open the Developer Tools panel, a useful area that allows deeper interaction with web page elements. With the Developer Tools now open, locate the Network tab at the top and select it. Once you're in the Network tab, you should see several filters such as XHR, JS, and importantly for us, IMG. Click on IMG, which will filter out everything except the images loaded on the page. The next essential step is to reload the Instagram page. As everything reloads, the IMG tab in Developer Tools will populate with the physical paths of all image files currently in view. Now here's the trick. Find the specific image file you want to download. Scrolling through this list, you should be able to identify your desired photo based on its appearance or size. Once you've found the image, right-click on it and select Open in New Tab. A new tab will open with the image displayed all on its own. This makes it easier to download just that image without any additional web elements. To save it to your computer, simply right-click again and choose Save Image As. Pick a destination folder on your PC and hit Save. Voila! You now have the Instagram image saved to your computer. The process for downloading videos follows a similar logic, but with a slight tweak. Go back to the Network tab and, instead of IMG, select Media. Now, reload the page similarly and search through the entries until you find the video file. Right-click to open it in a new tab, and from there you can select Save Video As, choosing your preferred save location. There you have it, a clear and efficient way to save Instagram images and videos directly onto your PC using Google Chrome. Remember, this method should only be used for saving media that you have permission to download or use. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.